Hello, I'm Sonia representing NS Agro. Today I am delighted to present valuable insights into two cutting-edge mini combine machines developed by our esteemed company. With a legacy spanning 3 decades, NS Agro has been a trailblazer in the manufacturing of combine harvester and agriculture products, serving clientele across the entirety of India. The focus point of our discussion is centered on the latest iteration of the MINI NS29 series, a product line that has garnered widespread acclaim among farmers nationwide due to its exemplary design and performance. Numerous farmers have experienced enhanced efficiency in their agriculture endeavor through the utilization of MINI NS, making it a preferred choice. Allow me to introduce the first model, the MINI NS29 Gen X 4x4. Boasting a robust 74 HP engine with a diesel consumption rate of 5-6 liters per hour. This machine is adept at functioning in field with standing water. Its lightweight design enables operation in areas where larger machines face limitation. The substantial traction provided by its large and wide tires, coupled with gear akin to large models, endows it with commendable power. The price for this state-of-the-art machine is approximately 21,80,000, excluding additional costs such as insurance, temporary registration and delivery charges. Moving on to our second model, the MINI NS29 straw machine is designed to not only harvest crops but also provide chaff. This versatile machine simplifies your workload by incorporating a straw system. When attached to a trolley, the chaff is conventionally collected, allowing for easy disposal once the trolley is filled. This machine, equipped with a 101 horsepower engine, delivers an impressive average of 7 to 8 liters per hour. It efficiently harvests 1 acre in 1 hour, making it suitable for the variety of crops including wheat, gram, mustard, soya bean, among others. A notable feature of the MINI NS machine is its adaptability. Should you choose not to make chaff for a specific crop, the attachment can be completely opened, transforming the machine into a standard harvester suitable for crops such as paddy. As for the pricing of the MINI NS straw machine, the approximately price stands at 26,75,000. The cost of a trolley is separate, considering that most farmers may already possess one. For seamless delivery, you may reach out to us directly, contact your local dealer or use the provided company number for inquiries. We encourage you to book the machine at least 2 months in advance, ensuring its availability when needed. NS Agro is committed to delivering exceptional service and superior products, and we extend a warm welcome to explore our offering. Thank you for considering NS Agro. We look forward to serving you and anticipate sharing details about our upcoming products in the near future.